Every product made by Sleepm uses the highest quality materials. Welcome to Sleepm. Sleep better, live better.
My name is Lydia, and I had the pleasure of lying down on this Biocrystal bed. It was amazing. I started to feel a vibration coming over all my body, limbs, over my back, my spine, and my rear, and my limbs. And I sat there wondering, is this gonna be good for me? As I was sitting there, I started to feel more and more relaxed. My body was, the shaking effect was relaxing my body. And you know what? I felt great. I started to feel a cooling sensation. My hands started to feel better. And I will seriously consider buying one of these mattresses. I'm very grateful for the Biocrystal mattress, and I hope that the rest of my family will love it too. Thank you.
Oh my gosh, today we are very, very happy because I stay here with a new person, the George. George is new. I don't know him. It's my first time and he coming because somebody referred the mattress and the products here in the Sleepm. What is your testimony? You stay in here maybe 40 minutes before in the bed, right? You come in for the therapy. What do you think? What is your testimony, George, today?
Wow. Today I'm really impressive with the product they have here in the house. As you know, they have some mattresses here, some pillows, and other products they have. But all this crystal, I would say, no, I don't know the right word for that, but I mean, whatever they have in this technology is the best. As a man, I'm 54 years old, and there is men in the world that, you know, we have some issues with some men reaction, to be honest. And what I didn't figure, and I kind of understand, it took me a little bit of time because I slept like for 40 minutes, and I'm not supposed to take a nap during the day. But once you lay down on these mattresses, you just go. You know, you fell and you sleep and you go. And my reaction to me was just when I woke up, I just didn't know where I was. Like, you know, I woke up. So my first, thing I just went to do, I went to see myself, and I felt it right away. You feel something right away when you sleep on this mattress, or you kind of lay down on these mattresses. But I felt the men reaction right away when I went to the restroom. I felt the circulation went on and on. So I think if you're a person who have this kind of problems, in your life, you don't need a pill anymore. You don't need something to add up that to it. All you need is a good mattress like this one to have a healthy life, and you're going to be fine. And I don't know if I can say it right, but I mean, it's the right time, the right product to come and look and check it out. And as a testimony, I just wanted to say this, and I don't think it should be embarrassed to no man. This should be take action, and if you have no problems with you at this time, it's good. Congrats on that. But I think you need to make a time to come and see yourself. How good can you be? You just imagine you can be a younger person and this 54 years old person. So I don't know if I can say it right, but that's kind of where I come from. Thank you.
Thank you. It's amazing testimony. Yeah. Thank you. Wonderful, right? You are testimony too. But this is thank you for share this testimony, George. Thank you. Welcome in this company. Thank you.
My English is not clear. Oh.
It's okay. It's better than the Chinese.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay.
And the Spanish.
Okay, no wait. Let's start again.
Hi, good morning. I'm here in the Sleepm company, and I just want to tell you that I bought this product. It's really, really working for ourselves, and I am very happy about this product. And how about you, Miguel?
My name is Miguel C. Bautista. I was so very happy with this product. First of all, I bought the mask and the pad and also the topper. The topper works for me a lot. I work at the backyard. I have so much strength.
Yeah.
Before I don't have strength. And my son told me, Dad, after you finish working at the backyard, go and clean the house. So I clean the house. My strength is too much. I have a heart surgery, but I don't feel anything. My blood pressure is, the same. So the product that I bought helped me really a lot. And another thing is, at night I cannot sleep. I use the mask with me, and wow, after like 15-20 minutes I fell asleep. It's so good now. So I just want to let you know this product is so good. Thank you.
And one thing more, I enjoy this product much. I always go to my bed just to sleep on the topper because I know this product is working for me and working for Miguel, so my husband. So just come here and visit our showroom.
And the pad?
And the pad, when you put the pad on your body, it really works. Make me happy, and also,
It warm you up.
It warm me up. So just want to let you know, and
Driving.
I can work hard now, can stand up. It's good for me. Thank you.
Thank you.
Olives. I have been with Sleepm since September 27th of 2000. I got the product, and I was kind of leery. I have a lot of health issues and challenges. When I purchased the product, I had gone to my doctor and gotten the clearance that my numbers, everything, are good. Whereas before, everything was off balance. Then of course I had an eye issue, which is macula, and I wear the mask, and from that my eyes have cleared. It's not completely cleared, but it's improving my vision, and and I'm really proud, and I'm happy, and to share the product with you.